Need and importance of management accounting. So management accounting deals with providing data to the management, and it is helpful to perform the managerial functions like decision making, profit planning and control. So need of management accounting is basically for managers to take decisions. It works on cost, profit and other information. So main focus is on financial figures and costing figures and the profit, because most of the management are concerned about two things: whether business is in profit or whether business is in loss. On the basis of that, management can discharge their duties. Management accounting is also deal with the accounting information which is helpful for management to decide the long-term policy, short-term strategy and day-to-day operations of the business. Management accounting is in mute in nature, but it is self-explanatory. If we consider financial accounting, all the figures are there, but it does not show the real picture of the business. But management accounting design all that data in a such a way that all the figures become self-explanatory, and that figure itself shows the decision and the real picture of the business. Management accounting is an extension of a managerial aspect of the cost accounting. So it is also deals with cost accounting and financial accounting to take decision related with it. This accounting is having broader sense and having huge scope from the company as well as management point of view. Management accounting is dealing with quality of decision and their implementation. So data provided by management accounting is very important to take quality decision. It also furnishes the relevant information to them to take decisions. So data providers are financial accounting and cost accounting, and management accounting is doing implementation and make easy way to take decisions. Management accountant collects all the information from the different sources, analyzed it in a systematic manner, find out their relevance to the decision under the consideration, and supplies only relevant information to the management and take which is helpful to take proper decision. So it is basically process of management accounting. First process is to collect the data, second is analyze the data, third is to provide uh, the relevance data, then next is to take decision making. So when this process is complete, then after decision again we can identify the result of the decision, and on the basis of that we can run our business in profit. A comprehensive evaluation of each of the possible and available alternatives so that the management select the best alternatives. So financial accounting and cost accounting only provide just data which is not useful directly for the decision making. Both of this subject deals with quantitative data and historical cost. It never think about future and qualitative data, but management accounting is dealing with qualitative as well as quantitative figures. For example, if we consider the monetary factors like marginal cost and labor cost, we can calculate this cost and take decision about that. If we consider labor relations or labor turnover, these are qualitative factors. These qualitative factors are also considered and studied by the subject, and it gives the positive results in the business. So management accounting is one step ahead of financial and cost accounting in decision making. Management accounting focusing on the internal users, then measures and report the financial and other information to the others. It furnishes the necessary information to the management frequently as when required, and it is also point out what should exactly happen. So it is related with internal part. It measures the figures, and it is provide report to the management. This is what need and importance of the management